actually lived with my parents in Castle Street here in Conway. My bedroom overlooks St Mary's Churchyard, and we've got a 12th century building surrounded by graves that date from the 15th and 16th century. And I used to spend hours wondering who these beings and people were who now lay in the graveyard. And the best way to engage with that is go and explore. Explore the castle walls. Forbidden, of course, but small boys don't know such obstacles, so you could actually sneak, is that the right word? Sneak into the castle by just hopping over the wall. In those days, in front of the castle, it was surrounded by trees, there were places to hide. So you could get into the castle out of hours when people couldn't see you. It didn't take a great deal of skill. The walls themselves gave you views of the countryside around, which were astounding. And with nobody else around, this is quite a wonderful thing to experience. And then each of the town archers that guarded the town in times of old were there to be explored. There's the evidence of portcullises and drawbridges. Wow. So for a young mind, this was fascinating stuff. Gimme, 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 I want more. And this is the beginning, the embryonic interest in social history. You know, what people do, what people are like. And then trying to put together what it might have been in times past. Where we are talking and breathing at this moment, all those hundreds of years ago, this kind of activity was taking place. And that's what history is about.